What's this? What is it? Ooh. Blue.
Yeah, blue. Very good.
That is, oh, look at this. Honey, look, it's got ballet dancers. What's that? Wow. Oh, my goodness.
Socks. You like socks.
We'll look at these more carefully later. Oh, look at how pretty. That's beautiful. Pants? Oh, it's got a kitty. Jane, look at the kitty. You see a kitty? Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow, huh?
Yes.
It's a kitty.
No.
Meow.
Go.
Oh.
See.
Oh my goodness, what's this, a hat? Hat. Wow, Jane, look at those.
Oh, very nice. Ass prints.
Wow, look
Oh,
at
that's a
that
nice coat.
awesome coat.
Look at that.
Jane, do you see this coat? It's a coat. What else? What you got in there? You can't get it?
What's this?
Dominoes for the
First
kids?
word dominoes. Wow.
And a sun?
No.
Wow, dominoes. You say dominoes? Yeah.
Pretty close.
That's close. We'll open them up later. You know what you want to look at them more right now? Yeah. It's a kitty.
No.
Yeah, it's a kitty.
Okay, what else we got?